talk about
Okay.
puppet church.
Okay.
You ever have church with puppets?
No, I've never had church with.
Oh, we've had a good time with that. Well, let me tell you the stories.
Hang on a second. Let me get...
My name is Brother Eli. Yep, I'm 100 years old.
Do you want to make the Lord happy? Do you want to know the best thing to do? Then you gotta learn what God wants all His children to do. And do what God wants you to.
There's a world of choices right outside your door. Like should you help your mother and give money to the poor?
Make the best choice ever, choose the right thing to do.
Yeah, do what God wants you to. Do you want to make the Lord happy?
Yep. We come in and we set up a puppet stage in the front of the church. Usually up there where the preacher is because that's where everybody can see you.
Sure.
Yep. And then we have ourselves a good time. Yep. We used to have a shindig for a barn raising back in my day. Yep. Every time you get together with a bunch of people and build a barn, you have a party.
Mm-hmm.
Well, this isn't a party for building a barn. This is a party for worshiping the Lord.
Oh, wow. That's
Yeah,
my kind of party.
It's a good time, too. We have singers that we bring with us. They're called the Gumthers. They're not as good as the Gaithers, mind you, but, well, they're pretty good. They're all different colors. They like to get out and sing. They sing quartet songs and all sorts of different stuff.
Wow.
Yeah, they can take over a good praise and worship.
Okay.
And if you want to do the praise and worship with them, that's even better. You ever start singing and have a puppet come up behind you?
No, I can't say that I have.
You're missing out. I tell you, it's a good time.
Everybody gonna have religion in glory. Everybody gonna be singing that story. Everybody gonna have a wonderful time up there. A wonderful time up there. Everybody gonna have religion in glory. Everybody gonna be a singing that story. Everybody gonna have a wonderful time up there. Well, glory, hallelujah, brother. There's a reckoning a-coming in the morning. Better get you ready, cause I'm giving you the warning.
You're missing out. I tell you, it's a good time. Yep, those puppets get out there and sing. We do the Bible stories, and that's what we use for doing the message.
And I'll introduce you to another friend, the Lord.
How will you do that?
Well, how about coming to church with me and my family this Sunday?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, church stuff, yuck.
You're not scared, are you?
Hey, I'm not afraid of anybody or anything.
Jim,
I'll
so
be
that they
there.
can have your puppets come to their church.
Well, you got to find them first, and that's usually done by calling them on a cellular device.
Okay.
Yep.
Cellular device.
That's right. It's not like a phone I used to use.
Okay.
When I was a kid, we had to wind them up.
Right.
Yeah.